Imagine yourself in this 2008 Chevrolet Avalanche. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle with a powerful 8-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Navigation included to help you get to your destination with ease. Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. Heated seats comfort you on cold winter days. Tailor the temperature to your preference and your passengers. The sunroof lets fresh air in. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included. Call today to schedule a test drive.